Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline, and in today's video I'm bringing you not one unboxing but actually two unboxings from IPSY. Yes, I have the month of August and September here. But before we get started, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel and ring the little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Also, come and check my Instagram. And now, if you want to know what I got on my IPSY GLAM Bag Plus, then just keep on watching. I think I mentioned it in my Boxy Charm of the month of August, that video. I mentioned that I was leaving for a trip and that my IPSY box didn't arrive on time, so I wasn't going to be able to do, as I lately have been doing, the battle between Boxy Charm and IPSY. And this time around, actually, Boxy Charm had the boxy looks, so therefore there was no way to do a battle between the boxes because it wouldn't be fair. Boxy looks have a lot more products. It's a different story. I will put right here on the tags my video where I unbox my Boxy looks box, and check it out. It's a fun one. It's a good one. But I'm very curious. There are some people that are giving it dislikes and I have no idea why. It's like, why is that? At least if you are gonna give a dislike, just let me know in the comments down below what you dislike about it. I mean, if I dislike some products from a box, I don't think it's something wrong. It's just my personal preference and my opinion. But anyhow, I'm just going now into the IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. So now I have two boxes, the one from August and the one from September. So I have two to unbox here with you, and I'm very excited to do so. But before we go into the unboxing itself, I want to tell you a little bit more about IPSY, just in case if you are new to IPSY. So then, what is IPSY? IPSY, it is a monthly beauty subscription box that costs $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size products that are value of at least $120. So that's what it is. I'm gonna leave my link, it's kind of like a referral link down below my description box. Now that referral link doesn't give me any commission. IPSY, I'm such a small YouTuber right here, so I don't have any partnership with IPSY or anything like that. Okay, my friends, and now what about if we open the boxes? So let's see, let me first open the box of, what should we do? Should we do August or should we do September first? I don't know. Okay, let me do September first and then I do August. Why not? I don't know. And then let's see, let's do kind of like a battle, which of the two boxes win. That's a good idea. Okay, so let's open it up here. When you open your box, it comes with a little kind of like pamphlet, postcard type of thing that tells you what items you're getting. If there is a theme for the month here, September 2019, the theme is Find Your Light. And then the products inside, basically, it just gives you a little blurb of like what are you getting, the value of them and whatnot. So I'm gonna be calculating how much is the value of this box right here. The first item right here that I couldn't miss at all, is just so big and so popping right there. It is this Glam Glow, and this is a Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Okay, so this is a great item, and according to this little information pamphlet, it says that it costs $34. That's the retail value. I know Glam Glow, they sell it at Sephora. I do like their products. I do like their mask. And let's see if these have a smell. Have a very like tropical smell, like kind of fruity smell to it. Okay, now I like this product. I like the idea of this product, but I don't use too much of physical exfoliators for my face because I do have a sensitive skin. I will give it a try. When I use a physical exfoliator, I use it right here on my nose area. This is kind of my trouble zone. I usually get, you know, like little white clogged pores. Sorry, TMI, right? But anyhow, so I will go ahead and maybe use it, and then if it doesn't work, I know my husband will love it too. Okay, next item, it is this Seattle London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So I do not have this powder in my collection. Let's just take a look at it inside. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so it comes like this, super nice packaging, and yes, this is translucent. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't have a net, it just have, you know, the sifter, and this comes with 15 grams of product. Now I do not use a lot of setting powder. I use a little bit on my under eyes, but not all over my face. So I'm curious to see. I never tried this powder from Seattle London. I like the idea that they decided to send a translucent one because, you know, that's favorable for most people. I hope it doesn't leave a white cast, but usually I do not have a problem with that. Okay, now this powder right here retails for $22. Okay, next item, let's take a look right here. All right, it is it is a lipstick by Ilamasca, and this brand is actually from Italy. It's an Italian brand. So I am a little bit familiar with their lip products, and let's just take a look. Okay, so here it is, and let's see the color that I got. Ooh, this is pretty. I love this color right here. Okay, this is kind of like a mauvey tone. It actually matches my nails perfectly. So, oh yeah, I love this color. This is in the shade Cosmic, and let's see, does it have a scent? No, it doesn't have any scent. Okay, and this lipstick, it says that has vitamin E infused. It seems to be kind of like a satin shade or semi-matte, and the value of this product, it is expensive. It is $27 for this lipstick, and I'm happy that I received actually that shade, because sometimes they send some shades that are like, really? Okay, the next item that I got here, it is this, oh, Madison Miller with Ofra. I knew that they were actually collaborating because I watch Madison Miller so much. I love her. She's a sweetheart, and I have seen her collection, and I actually wanted to get some of her highlighters. I mean, she came out with a collection of, I think, highlighters, blushes, a liquid lipstick, I think, and a couple of glosses, something like that. And it seems so beautiful, and she's just the sweetest one. I just love to watch her channel. So anyhow, I got this midi palette. It's called the Miller Squad, and let's take a look at it. Ooh, this is super cute. So it's coming in that kind of like brand new packaging from Ofra, this white component, and you know, like Ofra has these little triangles right here. I mean, you're not gonna be able to see it, I don't think so, but it's just super cute. Okay, let's take a peek. Okay, ooh, and it comes with a mirror. All right, the shade looks very pretty. I don't know about the highlighters though. The highlighters seem a little bit too dark for my complexion. So here it is, the first highlighter. This is kind of like a pinky tone, and ooh, this is pretty much, yeah, this is well, both of them are pink. Well, this one right here has maybe like a rose gold hint, and this one is more of a cooler tone. So there you go, those are the ones. And then we have the blush right here. Yeah, this is more like all like a pink type of palette. Yeah, very pinky. So this right here is the blush. It is a very wearable color. I don't think I will be able to use these highlighters right here, but I think I know somebody that will be able to use it. I have somebody in the family that actually these will look great on her complexion, so I'm gonna give that to her, and these cost $35. And then the last item that I got is from Wonder Beauty. I love the brand Wonder Beauty. I actually love the foundation. It's kind of like a glow foundation. It comes kind of like, it looks like a squeezy tube, but it does have a band. Just amazing foundation. I love that one. But anyhow, I got these. This is what? This is a brow pencil. All right. So this brow pencil retails for $21. And let's see. Does it say the shade somewhere here? I don't know if it does say the shade or not. Let's see. Maybe here. Sorry. Okay, they sent me the shade taupe. So maybe it's a neutral shade. Okay. This shade right here may not work for me. It's a little too grayish tone. It's not super creamy, but it's not tagging in the skin. I mean, it may work. I think it may work. I can give it a try, and then let's see right here. Does it have a spoolie on the other side? Oh yes, it does have a spoolie on the other side. Okay, this is perfect. And then the tip is actually very fine. There you go. So I think the color, it will work. I think on the other side it looks a little bit grayish, but on this side it actually looks a little bit more on the taupey color. This is great for me because I only paid $25 and I received $139. Okay, now let's open up the box of August and see which box is the one that I kind of like the most. So for the month of August, the theme was Bare Yourself. Okay, so the first item that I got here I'm excited about is from the Balm, and it's called In the Balm of Your Hands. Oh, how cute. And this is volume 2. Ooh, and it seems like, oh, ooh, okay, this is nice. Okay, so it's kind of like an all over face palette. So you have here your eyeshadows, and then here you have a highlighter, then a bronzer, and then your blushes right here. It looks super pretty. And it actually comes with, I have never tried the balm, so that's why I'm very excited about this one, because I'm happy to give it a try right here. But this is the Mary Lou Minimizer highlighter, and I have heard great things about it. I think I hear the most from Andrea Matillano. She raves about the balm. And then this shade right here, this bronzer, is Bahama Mama. So this is a pretty eyeshadow palette and all over face palette. So this is nice, a good surprise right here to get. Okay, so here we go. The actual value of this palette right here, it is $32. So next item that I got right here is from Ahava, and it is a hydrating cream mask. This is nice. Now it says right here that this cream mask is infused with Dead Sea water. This mineral-rich mask helps brightening and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. And it's actually, it can also, oh, okay, so you can actually put it on and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, or actually wear it overnight. That is perfect, and rinse it out in the morning. And I love hydrating masks. I do have a very sensitive and reactive skin, and I was reading right here, it says that it's allergy tested, and it's also paraben free, and it's a vegan product. So I'm excited for this one because I love to sleep with a mask overnight after I do all my skincare routine, and I actually need hydration because I do have, for the most part of my face, it's a little bit drier, and you know, I'm just getting more older and older, and it's getting drier and drier. So anyhow, the mask value, it is $33. Okay, next item that I got, what's these, right? Oh, here you go. They are brushes, and they are by the brand Farah. It says Be Beautiful, Be You, and I think brushes are really good. I really love to get my boxes, and when they include good quality brushes, I enjoy them because I go through a lot of brushes all the time, and I like to have extras, mostly the blending brushes and kind of like the crease brushes. Those are the ones that I always tend to like. I mean, I should clean my brushes more often, but this is great. This is a great addition, and the value of these brushes is of, oh wow, $48. Okay, so these, I mean, I have never owned these Farah brushes, and I didn't know they were, okay, the set is, I mean, it's pretty up there. Okay, next item, it is by the brand Suba, and it's a liquid chrome illuminating drops. Okay, I never heard about this brand, so let's see right here. I'm gonna do a mess out of this right here. Oh, this is super cute. It's a champagne color. That's pretty. That's a really nice size. And this is glass? Yeah, this is glass. Okay, and the shade that I got is called Trust Found, and it comes with a really nice, okay, this is a pipette. So let me just put it a little bit on the other hand. It looks to be a very metallic shade. You see it right there? So let me just, that. So there you go, and then obviously you will need to rub it, and it seems to have a really nice consistency, kind of like a dry oil type of consistency and feel to it, and it doesn't have any smell, so that's, I like that too, because sometimes when they put too many perfumes and stuff like that, I don't like that. And this highlighter, actually you can use it from head to toe, so you can put it on your shoulders, in your décolleté. I mean, you can put it on the high points of your cheeks, as we all know. And this item retails for $26. So here it is, the last item that I got. It is from NYX, and it seems to be, yeah, it is a cheek palette. I took it out of the box, and it looks to be a blush palette, mostly blush palette. I think it's just blushes. Yeah, it looks like it's just blushes. Okay, so for the life of me, I cannot open it up, but I think you can see it from there. Okay, I think I have 2 things from NYX, and I haven't tried other things from NYX, so I mean, this will give me a good opportunity to try more of the brand. And this palette right here is valued to $20, so it seems to be a nice palette with a good variety on, you know, different blushes. Okay, so I'm a little bit confused on why they send a second palette, because the Balm palette is also kind of like all face palette, and while this one here, it is just for blushes, but the Balm palette was mostly blushes, 1 bronzer, 1 highlighter, and then the other shadow shades. So I'm a little bit confused on that, but I mean, nonetheless, it's good. I haven't tried much of the brand NYX. I think I just have 2 or 3 items from them, and the value of my box is of $159 for the August box. So in regards of which box I like the most, I think I like both. I see a lot of items that I actually can use. Some of them I will definitely give away, but other than that, I think both of the boxes are pretty good boxes. I am very happy that I got the Balm all over face palette, and I'm super happy that I got all the mask right here. I mean, there are great products here. I'm also happy that I got something from Madison because I love her so much. I really love her channel. But anyhow, my friends, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did so, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share with somebody else that may like this type of videos. Also, please leave me in your comments down below if you received IPSY, what do you got on IPSY for September or for August, if it's different than mine or not. Also, I want to mention that I'm doing a giveaway, and the rules for that giveaway, they are on my NATASHA DENONA METROPOLIS palette review, and where I do for looks and whatnot. So please go check out that video if you want to enter to the giveaway. And if you haven't done so yet, if you see this screen right here down below, it says subscribe. Just click that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the post notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. I do a lot of unboxings right here. I do hauls. I do a lot of reviews. I mean, you name it, many things. So if you want to be notified, again, don't forget to ring that post notification bell. And now, until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.